This both the EMA will be acting as a one band. Price has taken support at the low of the EMA. Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what is EMA, that is what is simple moving average, and what is the exponential moving average. Why we are using the moving average in our trading. So a moving average is a stock indicator commonly used in the technical analysis. This moving average helps to level the price data over the specified period by creating constantly updated average price. So when we are trading in the live market, this moving average will act as the support and resistance, depends upon the time frame which we are using. That is, it will take the average price of the previous candles and it will plot in the chart. A simple moving average, that is SMA, is a calculation that takes the arithmetic mean of the given set of prices over the specified number of days in the past. In the same way, exponential moving average, that is EMA, is a weighted average that gives the greater importance to the price of a stock in more recent days. EMA making it an indicator that is more responsive to the new information. What are the various types of moving averages? So what is called MA? MA is called moving average. SMA is simple moving average. Then what is called EMA? EMA is called the exponential moving average. What is called WMA? W means it is weighted moving average. VWMA is called the volume weighted moving average. Then what is called RMA? That is relative moving average. What are the main difference? That is, what are the major difference between the EMA and the SMA? That is simple moving average and the exponential moving average. So SMA and EMA are calculated differently. The calculation makes the EMA quicker to react to the price changes and the SMA reacts slower. That's why the intraday traders will be using exponential moving average in their trading. Okay, that is the main difference between the two, that is the SMA and the EMA. But we are comparing the SMA with EMA. We cannot say that EMA is better than SMA or SMA is better than the EMA. Why do we use moving averages in our trading? Okay, moving averages helps to identify the trends, that is if the trend is bullish or bearish, and it will help us to identify the reversal trades, that is a confirmed reversal trade. So here in this chart we can see that the price is in the sideways, because we are not sure where the resistance and where the support is in the blank chart. So if you are using moving averages in our chart, it will help us to identify the trends and as well as it will identify the reversal trades. Each trader must decide that which moving average is better for his particular strategy. Then many short-term traders, they will be using EMAs because they want to be alerted as soon as the price is moving from the other way. Long-term traders, that is if you are doing swing or positional trading, they tend to rely on the SMAs, that is a simple moving average, since these investors are in rushing to act and prefer to be less actively engaged in their trading. Okay. Moving average helps to identify the areas of support, also helps to identify the areas of the resistance level. So we will be able to understand, that is where to enter into the long trade and where to enter into the short trade based on the moving average. What we can understand by using the EMA. If the price is above the EMA means the trend is bullish. If the price is below the EMA means the trend is bearish. So simply, if the price is above the moving average, we understood that the trend is bullish. Now, if the price is breaking below the EMAs and after that if the price is taking support at the EMA, here we are getting the green candle. So if the trend is super bullish, then we can understand that, or we can know from the live market that if the price is taking support at the EMA, then after that the price will be moving along with the EMA. Means the trend is bullish means price will always try to take support at the EMA. If the trend is bearish, we can see that the EMA will be acting as the resistance level. Means price is trying to break this resistance level and we are getting the rejection from the EMA. Means that EMA is acting as the resistance level. So one can enter into the short trade below that. Simply if the price is below the EMA means it is a sell signal. If the price is remaining above the EMA means it is a buy signal. How the EMA and SMA is calculated. So SMA means it gives equal weightage to the prices. EMA means it gives more weightage to the recent prices. So what is the formula for calculating the SMA and EMA? SMA equal to average of the last traded price, that is close or open, high, low, etc. It can be, we can take anything. And EMA equal to, this is the formula for getting the EMA. Okay, so I have given the, what is the T or K indicates. Here, this is the example of 10 period of EMA and this is the SMA. Now, the SMA, that is a simple moving average, gives equal weightage to all the prices. Here, this is the 10 period and it is giving equal weightage, that is the 10%. Whereas the exponential moving average, as the picture, here this is a picture that represents, gives more weightage to the recent prices. Here we can see that this is giving more weightage to the recent prices. Okay. So we have added the EMA and SMA, that is the SMA 10 and EMA 10. So SMA, that is blue, and EMA is black in color, that is the exponential moving average and the simple moving average. Okay. So this is the EMA, black is the EMA and blue is the SMA. That is the simple moving average. Alright. Okay. So, if we see here, okay, black EMA, this is the black one, that is the EMA, moves closely along with the prices. Okay. And the time frame we are using here is a 15 minutes, that is a lower time frame. Since it gives more weightage to the recent prices, as we are using the lower time frame. So, when we use the time frame as a lower time frame, we can stick to the EMA because it gives more weightage to the prices. So when we are going to higher time frames, in that case we can stick to the SMA. There are the multiple ways that we can use the moving average. So here this SMA and EMA. Here the EMA, when we look the source, this is close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more moving average, that is moving average exponential. Okay. Here this, go to the settings and I'm going to change the length same as 10. So here the source, we are going to change this as low. Okay, so this is yellow in color. So I have changed the source as low. Okay, click on OK. And the first EMA here, go to the inputs. Okay, and the source which I am going to change here is high. Okay, so the first EMA, which is the source is high. The second EMA, that is red, there I have changed the source as low. So what will happen is this, both the EMA will be acting as a one band. Okay, we can see here this is the high and this is the low of two different, of the same moving average, but we have changed only the source of the EMAs. See here the price has taken support at the low of the EMA, that is we have changed the source to the low. After that price started moving in the upside direction. So here this is the Nifty and the time frame is daily time frame. So EMA or SMA both will act as the support and resistance. So here we are looking for SMA 20. Okay, and the time frame is daily time frame. So if the price is above this S20 SMA, the trend is bullish. We can see here this green candle took support and gave a close above the 20 SMA. So means the trend is bullish. Okay, so one can enter into the long trade. So we can look for buying opportunity in the Nifty. Okay, so whenever the price is retracing near to the 20 SMA, we can see that there is a green candle. This is a pin bar candle, and after that price took support from here, and again we can see that there is a up move. Okay, again next time also after that price took retrace here in the 20 SMA, and we can see that there is a rally in Nifty. Okay, so currently we can see that the price is bearish because Nifty gave a close below the 20 SMA. Okay, this is the ITC stock. So here also this is a daily time frame. So if the price stays above the 20 SMA means the trend is bullish. So here the price took support at the 20 SMA. So we can look for buying opportunity. So after that also here we can see that the price took support at the 20 SMA. Okay, now we can see that currently the trend is bearish because the price gave a close below the 20 SMA. So the trend is bearish. Means no, these EMAs and SMA is acting as a support and the resistance level, because we can identify the trend also by looking into this chart and with the help of the moving average. This is the Hindustan Copper. Here we can see that the SMA is acting as the resistance zone. Okay, because price is not able to break this particular level. After that, we got the rejection. So below this, the trend is bearish. Okay, after that, the price is in the consolidation phase in this zone. Okay. Again, price took support at the SMA, and after that, now the trend is bullish. Okay. So this is how we have to identify whether the trend is bullish or bearish using the SMA. This is my Telegram channel, currently having 7,000 plus subscribers. There are so many fake channel under my name and my logo. Don't get trapped. Okay. So every video, at the end of my every video, I'm sharing the same about my Telegram channel. Still people are getting trapped. So please be aware of that. Here I will be sharing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty levels, that is a support and resistance level every day evening for next day. So today is July 25. So this I have shared the 26th, that is July 26th evening. Okay. So here I have shared the Nifty levels. Key level I have shared today morning, that is Nifty 19730 is the key level. Okay. And also Fin Nifty also I have shared that Fin Nifty can touch 20,528 and the target got achieved. So this is a free channel. So those who are trading the index Nifty or Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, they can join my Telegram channel. Okay. Then I told trail Fin Nifty to 2,505, that got achieved. So okay. So here this is the Telegram channel. So those who are trading Nifty and Bank Nifty can make use of my Telegram channel. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.